Hello, today we have 10 beginner-level riddles that will make you think, laugh, and maybe even scratch your head a little. Ready to put your brain to the test? Let's dive in. What has to be broken before you can use it? I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? What has a head, a tail, is brown, and has no legs? I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest man can't hold me for much more than a minute. What am I? What gets wetter as it dries? What can you catch but not throw? What has a heart that doesn't beat? Which word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? What goes up but never comes down? I'm not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, but water kills me. What am I?